We're here at Collegetown Center to see apartment number 217. This is one of the 5-window style apartments. This is the largest apartment footprint that we have for a studio within the building. So let's take a look. The basics when we come in are still the same. Refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove. So the kitchen setup is still the same. This style of apartment does have the bathroom across the kitchen. The bathroom again will be the same as you've seen in the other apartments, with a shower, vanity, toilet, medicine cabinet. We'll go in through the short passageway, past the closet, like we do in the other apartments, and we're going into the living space. So this is a larger living space than we have in any of our other studio apartments. The furniture items will be the same. You have the bookshelf, the desk and chair, the full-size bed, the dresser, and these spectacular windows out here towards the front. Let's take a look. As soon as we pass the bed area here, this area where it extends through the windows is the extra space that you don't have in the other studio apartments here on this side of the building. We're on the north side, which is the street side of the building. We have 5 windows, so you get this spectacular view. 2 of the windows open. You can see one here and one on the opposite side. So we're on Dryden Road. You can see Collegetown Plaza. You can see up Dryden Road. You can see up towards College Avenue. This is a great nook here. We've got the dining table set up in here for this sample, but some people put their own extra furniture in here. You can do a lot of different things with the space here. But look at all this extra space we have here over in the corner with the way that we've set the furniture up in this one. So that's a look at the largest style studio apartment that we have here in Collegetown Center, the Pentacle or 5-window apartment. We're on the 2nd floor, we're on the north side of the building, which is the Dryden Road side, and we're just 1 block from campus.